26. We're about to start another real crazy week in our lives.
Yeah, we are. Bus. Another club.
Another club. Bus.
No sleep. No.
Yeah. New York me really has no limits or rules. Reneé Rapp is so right.
London wasn't that crazy for me. London was crazy for you, but I feel like even more than London.
But you know, I made it through London.
You did.
I survived.
But New York gets the most unhinged versions of
It's
us.
so true.
In literally every
Bus
aspect.
club, another club.
Yeah. Even just behavior is like, it changes.
And the funniest part also is that it's New York and then it doesn't end because we have to go to Griff.
Literally. No, that's the wildest part. The whole September 30th, like 4 a.m. September 30th through 11 p.m. October 3rd. It's nuts. I don't think I've ever been pushed to those limits.
We can do it. We can do it.
I don't know if we can.
We got this. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Just...
We've made it. We've showered. We're refreshed. And now we're going to Target.
I am straight.
We're on the way to pop up Bagels.
Not famous,
But known.
So this sounds good.
Yeah, you're a professional grandpa for real. Yeah. I feel like I've been alive on this day for 50 hours. What time is it now? It's only 10:21. I literally could swear that it's like at least 11:30.
This morning fully felt like yesterday. At least. Like it could have been 2 days ago. Every event today. And I feel like we didn't even do that much.
We didn't.
It's just...
I mean, we walked around quite a bit.
No,
It's just been so long since we landed here, but it hasn't been. Oh my God. Anyways, we met Towa tonight.
It's true.
I successfully gave her all my gifts, so I don't have to worry about it on the actual concert day. It was stressing me out. I was like, how am I supposed to get a mug into the venue? But now I don't have to. It was crazy and chaotic, like most Towa meet and greets are. We FaceTimed Brianna. It was cute. It was fun. Yeah, and it was real chaotic. So many things that we would have done differently if we were planning it.
It was like the calmest chaos, though. Like,
yeah, I feel like this is like textbook of how every meet and greet she ever does is.
Yeah.
It's like chaos, no one knows what to do, suddenly a line forms, and then she just goes through everybody like quickly, but still doing her best to take time with everyone.
Yeah, it was like contained chaos.
It is contained chaos. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is what her all points east one was like too.
Yeah.
Like they were like, you have 30 seconds, go.
Yeah, because there's been like chaos, but this was definitely a contained chaos.
Yeah.
It was chaos because it was clear that they did not know what they were doing. Like it was clear that they had no plans and they had no expectations on how many people would show up. But then
would love to know kind of what their true original idea was, because I don't think this was it. Free.
It was free.
So
free, and like didn't take that much time. We got there like 6:45ish, 6:50ish.
Yeah.
And then we were out.
She was like 7:50.
Yeah, we were out by 8:30.
Yeah. So mission accomplished on day one. This was like the biggest, my biggest thing that I wanted to do was meet her again and give her the gifts. Because I've had that mug sitting in my house for like probably almost a year. So yeah, mission accomplished. Reneé Rapp tomorrow. Mona tomorrow. Yeah.
Jake Connor! Rachel Zegler! Yeah! Jack and Smoke will be there. Yeah!
I don't know if I have it in me to go to stage door after all things go. God.
Well,
Oh God. Okay, anyways, day 2 of the chaos. See you tomorrow.
peace.
Happy All Things Go Day. I'm so excited for Towa, Muna, and Reneé today. I'm headed to my friend's house now, and we're gonna head down to Forest Hills together.
I need to be sponsored by Columbia, honestly. Can I do raspberry peach?
This is cool. The rain.
That was fun.
Right, the green This is not. told you who I am. But it is not my fault. I will be the one you try. So you mentioned it. And she got all the pretty girls. They have a couple drinks, all the pretty girls. So now they wanna kiss all the pretty girls. They got down the taste of a pretty girl. And she got all the pretty girls. That's like they never have to have no one. Yeah, it's a blessing and it's a curse. So keep on protecting pretty girls. Every night I sleep underwater. Follow you like lamb to a slaughter. Fast asleep with no time to rest. Gotta slip, slip, slip. Keep holding my breath. Maybe I should try religion. Cause why? Jesus, you're hard to rely on. I never find you in the kitchen. Cause why? You couldn't even pay rent for 3 months. Oh, I heard you like get it to grow. Oh, you always have money to smoke though. Now my tummy hurts. He's in love with her. But for what it's worth, they make beautiful babies and raise them up to be a couple of walking monsters like their mother and their father. He's in love with her, but for what it's worth, he's a problem now, baby. But she made with him monsters like what? Like their mother and their father. Eventually, turn me fighting. Someone's gonna hurt the little girl like you hurt me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, gracias, te lo agradezco. Gracias por venir. ¿De dónde eres?
Thank you so much. Thank you. How are you?
We always win.
Here's how we always win. It's New York or nowhere.
We stay
Here's my ATG wristband.
Oh, and you know what else we got? Not one.
We just married Keith Connor and Rachel Zegler.
Wait, I want to find the other one.
Right after I saw Reneé Rapp and Muda. Nutella. No.
We always win.
I literally have the zoomies right now because what was the day that I had?
And like just the fact that you walked out the second I got there and we got barricade.
Also, Kit Connor is fucking ripped.
That man is gorgeous. Rachel Zegler, gorgeous. No, I can't. Okay. I'll talk to you later because
TTYL.
Last night was crazy. I have so many things to say and also head so empty. I don't know how I made it from All Things Go just in time for Jazzy to walk out of Romeo and Juliet and then secure barricade for stage door.
It was the moon.
And then we met Kit and Rachel.
Oh, Chad.
After I spent the day seeing some of my favorite artists.
Getting the message out during the intermission.
Yeah.
Having it, you have it received despite not having any signal.
Yeah.
Getting from Queen's, there was literally no room for error. Like if
There was
anything,
no room.
if any one thing happened,
Like
slightly
yeah, just
earlier
a
or
slightly
later,
minute, like literally minutes.
it would not have worked.
No. Huge day for Ken too.
Huge day for Ken.
Huge day for Ken too. Ken saw Lisa. Huge day for us.
New song. He forgot all of it. And this is how we
Live
never
music.
lose.
I love live music. I love my favorite people. I love my favorite artists.
I love my favorite city.
I love this city. Okay, we're at my man's.
Featured on Oprah's favorite things.
Oh, a cookie. Nice texture.
It's pouring rain. This is horrible. So much harder than yesterday. I'm so upset by this. It's raining so much harder than it was yesterday. Nope. Don't worry. Pitbull will see it.
Nobody deserves us. I can't stand. Honey.
Another day. 11:03. Another day over.
Today was not the win we were hoping. It was not the win we've had.
We won a little too hard yesterday, I
we
think.
slayed too close to the sun and we got humbled.
Yeah. Universe was like, relax.
Yeah.
It was also pouring rain again. And yeah, that really ruined the tour.
They were in the tour.
We went to what was our
Man's.
breakfast, but it was lunch at my man's. We went to Corner Bookstore. We went separate ways already. That's all we did together. But literally by the time we finished that, it was like 4 p.m.
Because we didn't make it out till like 1.
Then I went to All Things Go Day 2.
Wasn't
Yeah,
there.
I went for vibes, but with the intention of collecting all the free stuff in my bag. And then I arrived and the LaCroix booth was closed and the Celsius booth had no one working there. Okay, we're gonna try and get up a little earlier tomorrow. We're gonna try to have a proper day.
If it's raining, Max is going right back to sleep for another hour.
See you tomorrow. 2:47. Got my ears pierced today. Second lobe. Jazzy's here. Ken's here. Hey, that's really nice, Ken. Look at that. Do you see that? Wow, look at that, Ken. We're just chilling before we head to MSG for Conan.
Not my crowd. 19, but you act 25 now. Me sweet, but you talk pretty proud. Red jeans and a cop that you just down. Someday I'll be falling without caution, but for now I'm only one. A curvy lane, the coffee tastes like gasoline. Could you order some for me? I'm too cold and I'm too tired to speak. I wish that you would stay in my memories, but you show up today just to ruin things. I guess I'm mine. I love you, thank you, I'll never forget this. Good night.
Last full day in New York. Conan was really fun last night. I'm glad we decided to go. He sang a lot of old stuff and then some of his new stuff, but just seeing the way his like stage presence and everything has grown is just absolutely wild. So that was a lot of fun. And now here we are, concert number 4 tonight. I'm just going out to pick up some lunch. Took a slow morning today. We're gonna eat at a house and then head out to book club bar because Jazzy wants to visit there. And then it's Towa night. And then after Towa, basically going home, showering, and then probably just gonna head to the airport because our flight boards at 5:20. And then once we land, it's Griff Day. 5 concerts, 5 days.
Says she likes guitar and now we're standing in the street, laughing at the flashy cars and drunk celebrities. Jackie said keep drinking with blushing rosy cheeks. At best we might get sad, at worst we'll fall asleep. Period. And now you're gone, and my heart is empty. But we got this song, so you won't forget me. I'm so tired of playing around. I'm so tired of being
We're back from Towa. It's a 1:25 a.m. We're heading to the airport at 3:30ish probably for our 6 a.m. flight back home. Towa was incredible as usual. She saw me in the crowd and gave me like the biggest smile when she spotted me. And then I gave her a little hand heart and she gave me a hand heart back. And she was just smiling so big and it was so cute. And I love them so much. It's been a week. It really has been a week. It was so much fun. So, on to the next concert. And we'll see how I'm looking on the way and when we arrive back home. Because we've got a layover in Minneapolis before Vancouver. So, see you later. It's 5:23 in the morning, guys. I made it. No sleep post Towa. Bus club, another club, no sleep.
I can't say the same.
She can't say the same, but I did it.
Built different.
And built different. It comes out in these times like this.
As it should.
Yeah.
It's a good time for it to come out.
Yeah. Still gotta get to Griff though. Bus club, another club, no sleep, another club.
Plane.
Isn't it crazy that like 6 hours ago we were at a Towa Bird concert and now I'm sitting here at the airport? It's kind of sad.
Yeah.
That's really sad. It's really sad for me. It's almost 4. I've been home for a few hours, just showering, unpacking. I haven't taken a nap since the flights, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm just getting ready to leave for Griff. Concert number 5 out of 5. I can do this. I can do this. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I'll probably insert some Griff footage into this video as well, just to end it all off. Yeah, I'm very excited to see her, so see you later.